Buddy, it's me, Sissy, and today I have a quick and easy springtime, Mother's Day, on into the summer craft for you. We're going to make this DIY dollar store framed wreath. So stay tuned and see how we make it. For this DIY, we're going to use a small grapevine wreath. Frame from a canvas. I think this came from Michael's, but they do have some at Dollar Tree but they may not be quite big enough. I'm not sure. I think this is a 8 by 10. I'm not sure, but they do have some picture frames that are large enough if you can't find the wooden canvas, or if you have an old picture at home or one at Goodwill or something. They make great frames. We use one of the little metal signs. I think this came out of the Thanksgiving signs they had, metal signs they had, that's thankful, grateful, and welcome. And then they had different sayings, that like Easter, they had Happy Easter and blessed. Any little phrase you like, you can use. And I got a roll of the burlap ribbon with the lace on it. We're going to use that. And I got some white chalk paint and then some assorted florals. Some of these came from Dollar Tree. Some are from Walmart, but they're all very affordable. So, but to start with, we're going to go ahead and we're going to paint. I'm going to paint the frame white. You can stain it, or you know, use whatever color you want to use. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some just little push pins. I'm going to push them into the back of my frame. That way it's going to hold it up off my surface and I can get it all painted. And you don't have to paint the back. Nobody's going to see it. Or if you're going to hang it like on a storm door or on a mirror, then you can go ahead and paint the back. But I'm not going to paint the back today. So anyway, that just kind of raises it up. That way you're able to paint it better. And then I'm going to also paint my metal here. Usually I would like the metal, but I want it to kind of pop a little bit, so we're going to paint that white too. So I'm just going to flip it over, and then I have these little pop dots for scrapbooking. You can get these at Dollar Tree also, but all I'm going to do is kind of stick this on the back, on the spot, on the back of my metal sign. I'm going to do 2 to raise it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to stick it to the top of my cup here. And that way I can paint it without getting paint all over my hands. But anyway, we got that ready. So we're just going to go ahead and get our paint. I'm just going to shake it a little bit. Okay, so we've got our frame painted, and I went ahead and painted the back. So let's pull my push pins out. Okay, so we've got our sign and our frame ready. Let's get our wreath ready. I want to use a lot of these different florals. Most of these came from the Dollar Tree. Some came from Walmart, but they're all very inexpensive. So I think I'm going to wire these on here. There's our little wreath, and now we're going to put our welcome. Let's see. So now we have all our flowers glued down and our welcome sign glued down. We are going to have to decide, do we want to hang it straight with this in the middle like that, or do we want to do it like this? I kind of like it like that. I think we're going to do it that way. So, going to get our ribbon. And let's see, we want it to hang right there, so we're going to pull our ribbon through. Right. So, alright, so we're going to glue our ribbon down. Let me get my little glue fingers. Okay, so we're going to put some glue right there in that corner, slide down so you can see what I'm doing. So measure my ribbon, so I'm just going to glue it down right here. Okay. And we're going to flip it over and glue it in the back. I'll show you how to do these corners back here if you can adjust the camera. I'm just going to put a little glue on the sides of the frame right here, and then I'm going to fold that burlap up to make it a nice, neat corner. And then I'm just going to lay this down on top, and then okay. So we've got that done, and we're going to make our bow now. So we're just going to make a couple of loops. Then we're just going to take a piece of burlap. Let me get a piece for my tail. I'm just going to take the ones that I folded, and we're going to fold this in half. Put this right in the center. And then we're just going to tie it with a piece of burlap. Trim that off. And then we're just going to fluff out our bow. Then we're just going to glue our bow down. Trim off our tails. I'm just going to use this little peony right here on the top. Y'all, that's it. That's my wreath. I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all are enjoying your weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend, so I hope y'all all have a great Mother's Day. It's special for me because my birthday is the day after Mother's Day. I'm a Mother's Day baby. And funny thing is, my sister was born like the day before Father's Day, so we got both holidays covered. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. So get out there and craft. Things are going to get better. See y'all. Bye.